An iconic feature of the 1969 through 72 SS cars was the SS oval exhaust. Seeing it from the rear of a car was a clear indication it was a super sport. And if you're restoring your SS, we've got the perfect reproductions for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 to 72 Chevelle Super Sport and 1970 to 72 Super Sport Monte Carlo oval exhaust tips. Sold as a pair, each oval exhaust tip is manufactured from a strong steel, which can be welded to your exhaust system. True to the original, they feature the correct 3-inch oval pipe shape. In addition, all of our exhaust tips are chrome plated for a mirror-like finish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.